killed you?
I didn't see him. If you said the name, I'd definitely know. Like, I seen it, but I didn't stare at it
Well, let's just put it this way. I might have just got a one tap on somebody's head with the pistol while he was running. Like, full speed running. He came through the door to, like, try to get me. And I hit him right in the head. I feel a little bad. It was actually, like, a pretty nasty shot.
Put all my BB up for sale. Sold for like 930K after, sorry, not like 940K after taxes. It was a mill something with like 70K SG. Yeah, it's
I'm pretty sure I
940K.
got everything on me. I'm gonna try to make it to the exit. I ain't even gonna look in his backpack. I'm relying on him to have done all the correct looting and everything for me.
Your greatest test. Send him a message if it doesn't look good for the end of the
What?
night. Once you get out, send him a message and rate his looting skills.
Bro, if I send him a message, he's gonna get like really mad, bro. Like I took his lights out, dude. Like if I can record this, like I'm gonna try to record it if I get to a safe spot real quick. Because that shot was nasty as fuck.